You know, there's something I don't understand about the second wife. They have this attitude, you know. So I just finished watching Nugget. As we all know, Musamsalaka, he is a bag to stress us again. You know that one thing about that guy, guys, he likes stressing us. Really depression. So as I was watching yesterday's episode, I realized, or you know what, the one thing about the first wife, they have that thing, man. They're so respectful, they're so understanding, you know, they're just so humble, you know what, they will do anything, you know what, they will do anything to protect their family, you know, and they have that, you know what, that good intention. But when it comes to the second wife, I guess Sana, you can see Ugeli, she's ready to destroy everything. Girl don't even care as long as this man chose me to be the second wife. They don't care. They don't care about the first wife's feeling. I'm not saying you should care, but at least you must have a heart, have respect. Inyana kesana. Haibo.